Hey everyone, here's the joke for the day. Happy Monday. It is what is the derivative of Optimus? And it's Optimus Prime. And so you're going to see how that comes into play when we talk about derivatives. We've got our Chapter 1 assessment tomorrow. So what that's going to look like is a few page test, and you're going to have tomorrow, Wednesday, and it'll be due Thursday at noon. So today's section 2.1, day 1, and we're going to talk about the derivatives and the tangent line problem. So we're going to find the slope of the tangent line to a curve at a point. We're going to use the limit definition to find the derivative of a function. And then we are going to talk about the difference between differentiability and continuity. So to start it off, suppose we traveled 150 miles to Duluth in 3 hours, and the distance versus time curve is, this is going to be my time. So this is going to be 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. And up here we're going to go ahead and we're going to do the distance. And we should probably go ahead and put this in miles, and down here for the time we better put hours. So distance in miles, it's easy just to go 50, 100, and 150. And so if we did this in 3 hours, at 0 times 0, we would not have gone anywhere. In 1 hour, we'd go about 50 miles. 2 hours, we'd go about 100. In 3 hours, we'd go about 150 at the end. So if I went ahead and I drew this, it would look kind of like that. So my velocity is, remember, velocity is going to be distance divided by time. So this is going to be in miles per hour. Well, I'm going 150 miles, and I'm doing it in 3 hours. So that's 50 miles per hour is my velocity. So to describe the trip, I'm going 50 miles an hour over the course of 3 hours from my trip to Minneapolis to Duluth.